Centering punch is always a handy thing to have. I'm just going to get the first one in there. A number 7 by 32, 7 by 3/4 inch screw is what they call for, which was an odd size. Okay, now that we've got the first one in, I can line everything up. Where's my next hole? One there. And where's the last one? Right there. Now these hinges have a little tabs on them. You can see here, here, and here. I'm using this hole at the front, and that way they can bend out a little bit to make up any difference in the thickness of the drawer. Alright, there's 1/2 of one done. And of course I want a face frame on my drawers, so I'm leaving this gap right here. So you remember the cleats that we dovetailed into our carcass to help line everything up? From the cleat to the top of here is 2 1/4 inches. So I got a couple of pieces of scraps, and that makes 2 1/4 inches. So this is level with this. And I take a 1/2 inch piece of plywood and set it in there. And you can see it's nice and square in there. And now is the moment of truth. Are we the right width? Oh, I think it's going to work. Just slide that in on top. And we've got a little bit of play. Not much though. But we'll get the drawer slide popped out. And we'll bring that up flush to the front of the drawer. And I'm going to use a smaller 5/8 screw for this, and all I got is brass. So we want a little bit of adjustment, so we're going to put it in the middle of the slotted one here. The pilot hole is 5/64 for a number 6 screw. Oh, they're a little long. Still a touch long for that 1/2 inch plywood. Just started breaking through. So I'm going to grind the tips off of them. This always seems to be something with me and drawers. Not exactly brass screws, brass plated maybe. They stick into a magnetic tray, but they got the ends blunted now. So yeah, I felt it pushing the wood out, so we needed shorter screws. Come over to the other side and do the same thing. first screw in. Now I can pull it out a little bit until we get our second hole exposed. And then our third set. Take the plywood out. And take the drawer out of the box. And the third goes in the back here. And now we'll see how it works. It's not too shabby. We may have to go back a little bit. Good thing we have slots. And for our next drawer, we do the same thing. Put the piece of plywood on. Grab the drawer. Pull the slides out first. I can't believe it. Well, I can't believe it, I guess. But drawers, which are my thing that I'm the least confident at. Oh, what's going on? What did I find? Oh, nothing. But they're all in. Now we have to make face frames for them. And they're spaced out alright, I think.